Good morning, everyone. This is Eric. This week I read an article on AFRL. The Air Force Research Lab was recently awarded a contract to build a space cybersecurity range that includes actual satellites. So that is important for obvious reasons to the space cybersecurity field because it is providing 4 CubeSats in orbit that are dedicated solely to research and testing. So there's no other mission occurring on them. There's no anything else, just there for researchers to conduct research and specifically about CubeSat and satellite cybersecurity. This is important because there's no other range like that. We talked to the MITRE gentleman in the first couple weeks of class who talked about MITRE's lab and the CubeSat they have on a desk. But this will have everything from user error to atmospheric interference to space problems for the birds in the sky. So anything that can happen in a low Earth orbit, the spacecraft will be subject to. Anything that can happen in an operations center, the spacecrafts will be subject to. Anything that can happen in the user segment, too, where you have user errors, misconfiguration, stuff like that, will be present. So researchers will be able to research through with all those variables actually occurring, not just being simulated. So if they want to conduct certain types of attacks to check this vulnerability spacecraft to those attacks, they can actually do that and say, hey, this worked for this reason. So I think it's pretty big deal, and all around for the Space Force and any of the other Space Force agencies and organizations that will be able to use it. So that is my post for the week. Look forward to talking about it in class.